This installation guide works for the following N-FAB step systems, including Nerf-Steps, Adjuststeps, N-Durasteps, RKR-Rails, and Podium applications. The N-FAB Nerf-Steps ship with driver and passenger sidebars along with all the hardware needed to attach them to your vehicle. The solid one-piece design provides strength and mounts high and tight for a better fit and cleaner look. Before getting started, make sure to read the included directions, verify all hardware, and remove the factory running boards if you have them installed. Depending on your year model, there will be open slots for the included speed clips or pre-existing threads. Carefully lift the Nerf-Step into position, making sure to place the end with the bend towards the front of the Jeep. Align the pinch weld tabs with the 6mm mounting holes. Install an M6 by 20mm bolt with washer and nut at each bracket location. Leave the hardware hand tight for now. Thread an M8 by 35mm hex bolt with washer into the underbody mount at each bracket location. Leave the hardware hand tight for now. Look at the steps to ensure the bar is correctly positioned on the vehicle. Use a 13mm socket and wrench to tighten the bolts in the underbody at each bracket location. Do not over-tighten the bolts and do not use power tools. Tighten the nuts and bolts at the pinch weld using two 10mm wrenches at each bracket location. Repeat the process on the opposite side. The installation is now complete. If you have any questions or would like more info, please go to N-FAB.com.